Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace a water filter where you open a tray, then twist the filter to remove it. Open tray and twist out water filters are in the inside top right or inside top left of the refrigerator. Release the locking tab and lower the cover of the tray. Twist the filter to the left until it stops, then pull it out. Insert the new filter and twist it to the right until it stops. Close the tray's cover. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light. If you're having problems removing your old filter or installing the new one, check out our video on replacement tips. Save yourself the hassle of remembering to order the water filter regularly by signing up for a subscription plan at SearsPartsDirect.com. You get free shipping and free up space in your memory banks. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.